all drifts are a good 6-7 foot.
That's gotta be. It's gotta be. I had fucking snow flying over the fucking hood, wouldn't you? There you go. Just straight roller, dude. I haven't had snow in a long time. Been a long time. I'm scared to stop.
Yeah, definitely don't stop. But you gotta be 2.5 foot on the road. This shit's wild.
We're in.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Getting it so deep. Oh my gosh, we almost got stuck.
Oh my gosh.
This is crazy. Dude, don't go too far over there. Oh,
Oh
yeah,
my
dude, you're
God.
plowing, bro. We're
Oh
plowing.
my God.
Oh, dude, we just plowed with the fucking front end, dude.
We got to turn
Stay
around.
on this.
Yep.
Stay on this. Keep going.
We got to turn
Don't
around.
go in there, dude. Oh my God, Gary, you better fucking get it, dude. Get it. Oh my God, dude, we're plowing.
There's a stake there.
Oh, don't hit the stake.
This is where we're stopping.
Yep. No, get out there. Get out
No.
there. Oh, dude.
We're good.
Jesus, right.
We're good.
Yeah, we're good. We're fucking buried. Well, at least I got us getting buried on video, so then the girls don't think that we're fucking lying. Oh, all right, Gary. Look at that. We drug the frame the whole way. Oh my God.
I'm done.
Yeah,
That was tough.
This is nuts.
That was really tough, dude.
Wow.
That was tough getting up that